Dear viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make a special delicious chicken korma restaurant style. This is a special surprise for Mr. Dan Jones. This gentleman helped me to create my YouTube channel and he helps me many ways. I owe him a lot and thank you very much, Dan. This is for you. To make chicken korma restaurant style, you need onion, you need cashew nut, coconut, you need garam masala, you need coriander powder, cumin powder, you need some sugar, you need turmeric powder, garlic and ginger, and a little bit of salt and a little bit of single cream. To make it, first we're going to put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan. Now we're going to add our onion. We're going to add our salt. Now we add our turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, garlic and ginger paste. We saute them only for a couple of minutes. Now we're going to add our water to cover it. Please make sure the water cover the onions. Now we're going to add our cashew nut to it. Viewers, we're going to show you now how to make the pilau rice in a microwave. First of all, we're going to put a little bit of ghee in a glass bowl, and we're going to add a little bit of garlic and ginger paste. Garlic and ginger paste is basically equal amount of garlic and equal amount of ginger blended with water. That's what it is. Okay, now we're going to put our rice. We're going to add a little bit of saffron to it. And the measurement for it is, I had 1 cup of rice. I'm going to put 1.5 cup of water. That's going to take about 10 minutes in the microwave. We cover it with cling film. We put the cling film. We make a little hole so a little bit of air can come out. Okay. Now we're going to put it in the microwave for 10 minutes. We put it for 5 minutes, then I'm going to put another 5 minutes again. Then we leave it to rest it for another 10 minutes. Viewers, my 5 minutes is gone. I'm going to put another 5 minutes now. Viewers, my onions and cashew nut, they're cooking away. I think they need a bit more water, so I'm going to adjust the water now. I'm going to add some more water. Viewers, my 10 minutes is up. Now we're gonna take it out from the microwave. It just come out from the microwave. We're gonna leave it to rest for 10 minutes. My onion is soft. My cashew nut is getting really soft as well. So basically now we're gonna blend them. Viewers, we blend them now. Viewers, now in a hot pan, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. If you fancy a bit richer, you can add ghee. Ghee is a clarified butter. You can use that. But I prefer to use a little bit of oil. Now I'm gonna saute my chicken. Viewers, now we're gonna assemble the dish. My chicken is cooked, is ready. The sauce is here. Just to show you something. I want the consistency of the sauce like that. This is the consistency. Basically, if you think the consistency is thick, add some water to it. That's what it is. Okay, now I'm going to put my gravy to it. If it's for one person, you need at least 3 spoons. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut, desiccated coconut. I'm going to add a little bit of single cream. And if you want it very rich, feel free to, I love my one to be a bit rich. I'm going to add a little bit of clarified butter, is a ghee. Viewers, add some sugar according to your taste. If you want sweeter, you can add more sugar. If you like less sugar, sweet, you can add less sugar. If you don't want sugar, don't bother. So viewers, my chicken korma restaurant style is ready. Let's serve it. Viewers, my rice rested 10 minutes. Now we're going to open it. Look at that. Viewers, that's my beautiful chicken korma and pilau rice. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your chicken korma and pilau rice. Enjoy and bon appetit.